In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wave accounting effectively. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just starting to manage your finances more carefully, Wave accounting is a fantastic tool that helps bring simplicity and clarity to your financial life. Today, we'll walk through the essential steps of connecting your bank accounts and setting up your chart of accounts. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by connecting your bank accounts. This is a crucial step as it enables Wave to automatically import your transactions, keeping everything up to date without the need for manual entry. Start by navigating to the banking section of Wave and then click on Bank Connections. You'll see an option to connect a new bank account. Go ahead and select your bank from the list provided. Wave has partnered with several financial institutions to ensure secure access, so rest assured your data remains safe. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your account. This generally involves entering your online banking credentials and sometimes an additional verification step, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone. A great feature of Wave is that it can import up to 3 months of historical transactions. This means that even if you're just starting today, you'll have access to data from the past 3 months, giving you an immediate overview of your financial activities. Going forward, Wave will keep your transactions current, making it easier to track and manage your cash flow regularly. Now that your bank account is linked, let's move on to setting up your chart of accounts. This part might sound a bit complex, but it's essentially a way to organize your financial information. Think of it as the backbone of your accounting system. Head over to the Accounting section, then select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll categorize all your financial data for easy tracking and analyzing. Begin by adding your bank accounts under the Assets tab. Assets typically include anything owned by your business that holds value, like checking and savings accounts. By placing them here, you ensure that these accounts are correctly recorded as valuable resources your business holds. Next, add your credit card accounts under the Liabilities and Credit Cards tab. Liabilities are obligations or debts your business owes. It's important to categorize these correctly to maintain a clear understanding of your financial responsibilities. By properly setting up your chart of accounts, you're laying the groundwork for accurate financial reporting. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your bank accounts and set up your chart of accounts in Wave. These foundational steps will not only give you a clearer picture of your financial standing, but also streamline your accounting process. Make sure to review your accounts and transactions periodically to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.